Hi everyone, welcome to GUVI channel. Today we are talking about Git. Of course you know Git, but do you know Git's secret menu? No, not the usual Git status or Git commit. I'm talking about underrated gems that can rescue your code, clean your mess, or even travel back in time. Let's dive into 3 Git commands every developer should master, but probably haven't. So before getting into the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and let's get into it. The first command to master is git reflog. Have you ever accidentally deleted a branch or commit and instantly regretted it? Well, not anymore. Git reflog is like your Git time machine. It shows every action you have done, even ones that don't show in regular logs. So, if you messed up a rebase or deleted something valuable, all you have to do is just use this command. Yes, this shows you the list of past actions like commits, resets, checkouts. From here, just copy the commit hash of the version you want to go back and use this command instead. Or if you want to roll back your branch entirely, use this command. It's like an undo button that nobody tells you about. Just don't forget to copy the right hash. The next command that you should be mastering is git clean -fd. Is your working directory a junkyard of temporary files and ignored folders? Git clean fd clears it all out. Untracked files, folders, leftover test logs, everything gone. Basically anything not tracked by Git, Git clean helps you clear the clutter. But first, check what will be deleted using this code. The N means preview only. Then if everything looks good, run this code. F means force and D includes folders. Your workspace is now clean, but nothing important gets touched. Just make sure you're only deleting untracked stuff. This won't touch your actual committed files. The third and final command that you have to master is git bisect. Let's say something in your code base broke, but you have no idea when. Instead of manually checking dozens of commit, Git can help you find the exact one that introduced the bug. You start like this with this code. Then tell Git which commit is bad, usually your current one, and with this code. And tell Git where everything was still working with this code. Git will now check out a commit somewhere in the middle. You test it manually and say this code. Git keeps having the search until it finds the exact commit that caused the issue. When done, exit with this code. And that's the 3 most underrated but powerful Git commands. Try these 3 commands this week and you will feel 10x more in control of your repo. Got a Git trick nobody knows about? Drop it in the comments and tell us in the comments whether you have used any of the mentioned commands. And do not forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next one.